Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or edit your TikTok bio. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok account and then select your profile icon in the bottom right. So now that we are on our TikTok profile, select the Edit Profile button up at the top. And now that we are in here, you want to select where it says Bio. Click inside this field. You can go ahead and edit your bio line. Please keep in mind you are limited to a maximum of 80 characters. So just make sure every word counts. And then once you're done, select Save. And then your bio line should be updated right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.